There's nothing better than a slice of good carrot cake. I've had some bad carrot cakes and I had some great carrot cakes. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect one, the one I grew up with. Koekswera, what is that in English? Bicarb, yeah. This is my mother's recipe, Susan. I call her Lazy Susan because this is what this cake is about. It's one bowl, mix it all, bake it, ice it, and there you go. Pecan nuts. This recipe might be quick, but don't underestimate the flavors. Beautiful carrots, pecan nuts, cinnamon, pineapple. What more do you want? I'm gonna go bake it and lick the bowl. Look at her, she's beautiful. Look for Susan. Lemon curd wasn't something she really knew, so she called this lemon curd. It's so far from lemon curd as you might get. Freshly squeezed lemon golds. It's gonna make her like this, like a jelly goes like this. This is what's gonna happen. Full cream cottage cheese, lemon juice, and condensed milk. Adjust it the way you want, more or less lemon juice for a bit more sweeter or more acidity. So easy and so simple. This is a carrot cake that definitely will win awards. I'm not sure from where, but from the Carrot Association. Winter vegetables in a sweet environment. Look out for my recipes in this brand new series on winter favorites.